Okay, I'm going to give you a wonderful advice about what I am going to tell you now. It's very, very, very real message to all of us. It's not only for you people, and it's also helping me in addressing my follies and give me the real sense of purpose to my life and as well as you. Here I'm going to tell you something which I have written on learning from my introspection and all. Here about social media. What is this social media? Social media is a spineless, sometimes fake people. Why I'm saying this? Social media gives access to spineless and fake people. I will never try to motivate them with my words. Some of them might be impressed with my words or actions, but never be inspired to perspire persistently to put in right efforts with right purpose, which will come from inside on having emotionally connected, strong, specific purpose. So, what is this? So, by watching or reading any video book may impress me but never inspire me, which needs to come from inside. By birth, I am I am I am a believer and have burning desire to excel and grow. So I need to clear up my mind, matlab in the to clear up all the clutter of false beliefs, um, which are by questioning them in my mind to see the creator inside me to transform my character. So it's about to transform my character. I need to clear up and clutter. I have to declutter my mind, which are constituted all the false beliefs, by questioning them and to see the super conscious mind. It is about now clear up my subconscious mind so that that mud will be cleared and I can see the super conscious. I can see the creator, which actually transform my character. So to come up to connect with the right purpose, having the burning desire, and this is desire is there by birth, and having this burning desire in my, but that's the burning desire is still there, but on which my mind acts as a pile of clutter. It's so that that is not signing, and that burning is not actually uh, is not shown to the outside world because of this false and clutter of beliefs which are make my, so this mind, this subconscious mind is like a child. Like a child means it needs to be trained, it needs to be cleared up, and all the false beliefs has to be questioned, and they have to see that creator inside me to actually becoming more creative and to be transformed and to improve, to grow and to excel, to give my 100% in whatever I am doing in the right direction with the right purpose. Having this social media gives access to spineless people, so I have to be inspired from inside, not impressed by some motivational guru or somebody who is maybe they are impressed, they may impress you, but they never transform you, which comes from inspiration and perspiration, and the perspiration and inspiration which all is there by birth inside you. So you must clear up your mind, which acts as a governor, and you must understand you are is like a state's power. It means you are the real representative of the people of the state. So you are that. Your mind is not your mind is not your actual you. You are not your mind. You are what people elected you. People are not elect governor, but acting this governor is to be he is to because of this governor he people because of this governor of from whose the constitution has to be in the center will we actually have going to control the CM, because although this governor is not elected representative, this governor is trying to control you and do something which you are not supposed to be done. But these rules and regulations will actually help you if they are in the concurrence of the inner spirit. It means the supreme soul that needs to be enhanced, that needs to be more energetic, in the sense you must know the clear, the burning is to be always there, burning desire has to be there. And this mind, if that burning desire is clogged, is no, after all, this burning desire is all what is needed. This emotionally connected specific and strong desire which is has to be there, and that is going to, that needs to be your that needs to give you the sense of direction and urgency. Other than the governor has to influence you. If the governor influence you, it means you are tempted, you are trapped in a hole, you are a prisoner, this optical illusion, optical prison, which gives you which you are interested in. Personal interest and personal desires are more important for you instead of purpose and a specific strong purpose. So you must not identify yourself as a with a whole. You may come you come through a hole, but you are not whole. You are not the HOL whole. You are the whole. You are the creator. You are the whole. So this being, you belong to the whole. You may, if you want, if your purpose is to get into or trapped by the whole, that is another thing. And most people are doing the same thing, and they are identified with the whole, WHOLE, not whole, but they identified with the HOLE, whole. So they biologically might be connected with that whole, and they always try to impress their they always try to do something for that whole, and for because of which they are imprisoned. They can't come out of this um, lustful things, and they come out of this uh, desirous and small and mediocre. They are living that mediocre life. In that sense, living mediocre life is about crime, because being an extraordinary is a crime. So that you will be imprisoned with this uh, mediocrity. You will be imprisoned with the optical optical prism, or because of this optical illusion which you have created, because of this having if you're not identified with the whole, WHOLE whole, if you are not identified with that whole universe, rather than with the whole which you have come from. So you are biologically, if you don't express yourself fully, if you don't give yourself 100%, then your ability as a human being, the potential, the inner utmost, the spirit which is needs to be expressed and experimented through right sense of direction, that's not going to be there. So with this, having right purpose in mind, having the right sense of belief, going with that, and you are a believer, and you have a burning desire, so you are unstoppable. So burn yourself to be bright. Burn yourself means you must burn your the subconscious uh, false beliefs, subconscious mind, subconscious patterns, habits, and all these things is to be burnt to transform, to come up with a better beliefs, to come up with a better, upgraded mm, and good things in life. And this is very easy nowadays actually. uh, I'm not saying it's so easy in that sense. You must be comfortable with that old patterns and with old beliefs and old systems, and without that, it might be the always it might be difficult. Always it might be difficult, but it is the dearest thing as far as you are having this burning desire, and you have this burning desire. It's living, and you can romanticize with this difficult job, difficult task, or difficult play. When the difficulty level is more, then you enjoy that more. That gives you the more pride, more power, and you feel powerful, and you will get more power because of that having more difficulty. So you become embracing the dearest difficult thing which you or actually is, because your human potential is unlimited, and you can tap into that when you connected with that burning desire, and having that strong belief on yourself. And yes, that confidence and clarity and everything comes gradually. uh, so you don't need to depend, and you don't need to be feel confident before going for anything, and you are will be confident after, in some way, near the completion, near the fulfillment of confidence. Everywhere, everywhere there is a fear. That confidence will not come right from the beginning, but if you start and if you continue to do the same thing again and again, the clarity, confidence, and everything will come gradually. But you must be persistently go, and you must persist, you must be enthusiastically, you must go from failure to failure. That is all about having the flow. Having flow is very important here. Without flow you can't succeed. So this flow comes through, from failure to failure, without losing enthusiasm. That's what success is all about. And what I'm saying here is two things you must understand. Social media nowadays is a serious killer of our interest, in the sense, if you want to motivate others, as well as if you want to be impressed by others, that's okay. It will gives you the feeling of feeling of becoming successful, but it's not, you are not doing, you're not perspiring, uh, you're not perspiring in the right direction to get that thing, and you are becoming a spineless people. Yes, spineless means you are not putting your heart and soul into that. So the effort is not happening. So if you want to put the right effort and in the process, and then only you will be successful, and otherwise you will get the feeling of success, but you don't actually successful. You're not so actually successful. And by this everything, you must understand here two things. First and foremost thing is having that burning desire, and having that belief, which are always inside you, always there inside you. You don't need to grab it from outside. You have it inside you, but you have to clear up your mind. You have to declutter your mind with the which is filled with all the false negative belief systems. Operating system, this is operating system. Your belief system is operating system, and you have to completely uh, 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 mm, throw this operating system, and you have to install new operating system by subscribing to new books, and by subscribing to positive self-help books, and transformative material. And you have to give some certain practices you have to follow regularly. So before going to play, you must know the rules and regulations, as well as you must have that you have to take that in pain you have to take that pain. uh, Here you have to take that pain means, because before want to enjoy the play, you must do the foreplay. So the foreplay is that is more important, and if you do without that foreplay, if you go into play, that will not give you the pleasure of playing. So if you get the pleasure of play, you must not you must understand the importance of foreplay, and that foreplay will gives you the pleasure in the play. So that's why I'm saying, otherwise you have to be pressurized to play instead of getting that pressure. And you must have that sense of, okay, you have to give enough time and effort in foreplay, so that you can be happily and you can do it very joyfully. The play will be joyful. What I'm saying, life is also the same thing. Before getting anything easy, it is going to be difficult. It is going to be, you have to push in that sense. You have to give, enough visualization for that purpose, to be to magnetize your mind, so that you will be attracted towards that. Because if you know, after all, if you are going to do something, you have to galvanize yourself. You have to galvanize yourself with a goal or something like that. These goals are not about to be achieved, but these goals gives you that charge up, in the sense you charge up your mind with the so that you don't feel that foreplay will not be difficult for you. And so have taking that all these things, and organization and all these things, and money, goal or girl, anything for that matter, is whole, is for the whole, means life, to live life wonderfully. So I've given a lot of things for you, and this is enough for as far as I am concerned. Okay, now you will go. Thank you.